Some of you think that why I talk about Sona Akbarawa is because I have a problem with him or I hate him. No. I am actually talking about him because I'm disappointed. I felt that this guy is responsible, to be honest with you, but he proved me wrong. And I'm not the only one that failed the same way. I'm not the only one that failed the same way. But before then, let's go to this his one of these posts. He has so many posts that we need to react on. So many. I intentionally ignored them all this while, hoping that he will repent, he will recall his senses. But it is obvious that ihe na-esi kapisi there now. The people are talented karelente. Then now listen to this. He said, let me not reply you because you claim to be part of the Simon Ekpa's. Listen, not no more prime minister. Part of Simon Ekpa government cabinet. Sounded like Gaddafi. Simon Ekpa's government. But you don't attend the meeting, and so you know nothing but only listening to bloggers on social media. Yes, he actually hates bloggers. He always talk about bloggers because I told you just now that he have a lot of write up that if you are to start writing on it will take us months. Do you know that this our sister called is it Angel something like that? I followed her. She's on X as well. She only, she's writing on videos and is supporter of the movement and all that. She's not in cabinet. She shared a video of a white woman, the video of a white woman against Sani Akbarawa. Sani said, okay, let me help you share it. You're busy making money. Your own is to make money on social media. They're eager to say that people are making money on social media, but all of them monetize their platform. Even Sani Akbarawa monetize all his platform, including his ex. But guess what? He's using monetization policy and monetization package to attack other Biafrans. Is your own platform monetized or not? Even though you're in cabinet, probably you are making money, of course. So it is obvious. If you're not making money, how can you be angry that somebody pulled you out where you are later your service for free? Like you are, imagine you that are listening to me now in your country of residence, whether in a Biafra land, in abroad, that you every morning you use broom and sweep street, you are helping people for free. Community service, community job, like you are rendering service for free for humanitarian job. And somebody tap your shoulder and say, my brother, my sister, okay, don't do this thing again. I have people that will be doing it. Remember, you are doing it for free. You are sweeping compound for free. You are sweeping streets for free. And they said that we have another people that is going to sweep this place. It's a job, it's a task that you are putting your effort. And they said we have another people that will be doing this. And don't come work again. Don't come to work again. Don't sweep again. We have people that are going to do this your job. Go and rest. You started bragging. You started complaining, not bragging. You started crying. Oh, why? Why is this wrong? How can you that the person don't have right to dissolve the people that were that are fond of that have been sweeping those places or doing that job before now? You are agitating. Why must they ask you to stop? And you remember you were bragging about how you are putting your work without any payment, that you are doing it for people, you are donating, you are doing this. Or making sense? There's no sense in that. Now he said, you know nothing but only listening to bloggers on social media. What a shame. Can you tell me the last resolution your prime minister passed in the cabinet? Listen, no more our prime minister or your prime minister. Distancing yourself from that. I know you say, oh, you are trying to rubbish people. That your statement at this point in time, we need to cross-examine it before you take it to bank. We need to check it. Your words matters a lot now because your action is confusing, and we need to match it now with your words. Why? Because of your recent action. Ordinarily, if you say this, I may overlook it because I know that I believe that you are. But now that you are you came out among all the people, your hype man and all of them, they did not come out to defend the presence of Gaddafi and all the things, all that you are doing, and you are the one that created the name of Mrs. Mosbow. I don't know the problem you have with Gosarabese. I don't know her. She don't know me. But seeing what you are doing as a matured man, somebody's father, it is shocking. It is shocking. Ndị grammar. And I swear, ndị gara school. This our brother is top notch. His analysis is the best. Akpaza go to Nisi Kankapi. He said, what a shame. Can you tell me the last resolution your prime minister passed in the cabinet before he was detained for interrogation? Then your emojis speak volume. It has a lot of meaning. Look at, you are winking eyes. After saying this, you are bringing your tongues out. This thing shows insubordination, and you're undermining the work of PM. You are actually insulting PM here, thinking that, and even you put your finger on your lips, meaning shut up. These are things we are seeing from you recently. I don't know what you think that, I don't know this. I don't know if you actually understand what you are doing, or you are doing it, you are rubbing it in the face of Biafrans. And then the nefologi atacha boga na apologa until you guys bring some, like as an outsider, we need to know what she have done. You know, this is your cabinet you're talking about. You cannot come out and tell us, oh, she's bad. Evidence. We need evidence. PM knocked PDOS, all of them out with evidence. Fact. He did it, and Biafran started following him and listening to him. Do you even know? I'm still reading his post. Do you even know from your Biafran charter? Listen, from your Biafran charter, constitution, that your armed forces, at a point can invoke some powers. Wake up after drinking beer. Don't talk to Sonny without the armed forces. You are useless. Now, let's go to what Biafran said. I agree. Without the that's part of this last one you said. Without the armed forces, there's nothing we are talking about, which is true. I agree on that one. I'll give it to you. Then Ogoraman official vlog said, honestly, I am so disappointed in you. If a native doctor told me you would turn this way after all the hard work you have put in this freedom, I will never believe. That, you see, when I said that I hold him in high esteem, people don't understand. That does not mean that he have not messed up in the past. Don't get it twisted. But at least I like it when somebody, you make a mistake, somehow you fall and you pick yourself up and probably you apologize. But I don't personally, I don't welcome multiple apologies. Like you commit, you betrayed one, you betrayed two, no, I don't. Yeah, I don't. Only one time I give you a chance, and the next one you have to face the consequences. I have never claimed to be in cabinet. That's from Ogodoman replying him. My brother, I don't need it because I hate gossip. I rejected a position to lead Canada because I have not finished managing my own things. Thank God you said I have never been in a cabinet meeting. I am honestly surprised at you. You are not alone, Ogodoman. I'm highly disappointed on him. Not that what he's saying is wrong or right, but the extent that, he stooped too low. He started talking like, I mean, come on. Right? Nah, you can never say never. Ugochukwu said, don't you have a job? Replying to Sana Parawa, you should be in village fighting with market women every morning. Yes, because now we used to think that this guy is highly busy, but every two hours he's on. He did not learn anything from PM. He did not learn anything from PM. What he's doing is every now and then he's trying to buy population on win souls by streaming. You ignore actions in Anopa. No, the action people are talking about is not organizing fundraising. No, he's not saving money or having contact of men on ground. No, but what PM used to do. When things happen, we need a voice. You can't do it. None of you can. Never. Compare your voice with that of the COS. Compare the two. That answered the question. So now, Barawo, you are a big disgrace. I'm reading a comment from Biafra, no, not me. Okay, this a believer said, "You're a big disgrace to everything we thought you were, to everything that we thought you were. You and Oge Chukunkere, I don't normally call his name, but I'm reading a comment. We reap your reward soon. You are the one who brought all this online. Yes, he is. He is a son of whatever. Then his heart man joined immediately with other people. See, a man is known for what you can do, not who you side. Do you understand it? A man is known for what you, not a woman. A man is known for what you can do, not who you side. Siding people is meant for women. That does not mean they are that weak. What it means is that women have supporting hand that will help you to reach to where you want to your destination faster. But when men choose to gossip, like in the word of Master Monicano, women will now lead you and direct things, and that is not in an insult to any gender, but that is what is playing out today. So, my people, like I said, we have a lot. That the comment you see here, a lot of people are bashing on him. Like Karen Lane said, shameless he go to Iwawusa. That is somebody. You see, a lot of comment here from Biafrans against him, and he normally do what Saboteur do. Ignore comment section. That is one of the things that I noticed about Igbo saboteurs or Biafran saboteurs. They don't care about comment section. Those proud, certified saboteurs, they don't. Comment section is for the spirit. They don't, and they keep on bringing. Yeah, they believe that if they stop fooling themselves from committing more mistakes, that you are going to feel that you have won them, and by so doing they'll keep on bringing it back and back to back. I remember. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it, and I want to hear from you. I may stop commenting on this guy because a lot of things is to discuss about him. I don't normally talk about others. There are many other people that followed him, but why I single him out is I believe actually that he is the only reasonable person among them. If you ask me to choose, he is the only one. Other ones, I have something to say about them, but there's no need. There's no need at all. There's no point. Anyway, thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.